How to hide group members on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide group members on Telegram. So for that, just open your Telegram and just create any group adding members to that particular group, and you can add up to 2 lakh members in a group, which you can see the homepage of this particular group. And in order to hide the member of the particular group, you have to just click on the profile icon of the group, and from there just click on the pen icon of on the top, and here you will see this option called members. Just click on it. Now, since Telegram has launched their premium version recently, so hiding members is also part of the premium subscription of Telegram. Since I don't have premium subscription to Telegram, so I can't see the option hide members in group in Telegram as of now. So if you have subscribed to the Telegram subscription model, you will see the option to hide the Telegram group member, and you just have to toggle the bar and your Telegram members will be hidden. So this is how you will be able to hide group members in Telegram. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.